Are you looking for the best legal binary trading platform that's easy to use? Let's explore the top 5 together that's going to make trading simple and exciting for you. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let's get started. When it comes to binary trading, finding a platform that's both legal and easy to use is key. So, many people get overwhelmed with complicated interfaces and unclear tools. But with the right platform, you can trade continually, confidently, and without stress. Okay? Now, here are the 5 best legal binary trading platforms with user-friendly interfaces. First one is IQ Option, which offers a clean, easy to navigate interface with simple trading tools and great customer support. Second one is called Binomo. Okay? I'll put them all in the description. Known for their simple design and helpful features, making it perfect for beginners. There's Olymp Trade. It's a user-friendly platform with clear charts, great educational resources. There's also Pocket Option, which offers beginner-friendly interface with multiple options for binary trading. There's Expert Option, which is great for newcomers with a simple interface and a fast trade execution. Now, these platforms are going to help you start trading binary without the confusion and complicated tools. That's what's important. You're going to be able to trade confidently knowing that you're using a safe and easy platform. Now, if this video helped you at all, leave me a like. I love you.